Hey everyone, welcome to the Tracking Your Phone YouTube channel. Join us as we explore the latest data recovery solutions, best tracking software, top parental control tools, geofencing solutions, social media spy methods, and anti-cyberbullying efforts. Elevate your mobile experience with our insightful content. In this video, we will tell you the best AI video generator. ChatGPT is a deep learning AI technology that can be used to create videos with dialogue and sound. To use ChatGPT, you simply provide it with the script, some audio clips and other media files such as images or existing footage. It then uses its advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to generate the video automatically. With the power of ChatGPT, we can create AI-generated videos easily. So keep watching the video till the very end, because we're about to support you greatly. From generating video scripts with ChatGPT to selecting an AI video generator to creating videos with AI tools. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Part 1. What are AI-generated videos? An AI-generated video is any video content that has been created or manipulated using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. These videos are typically used to create personalized experiences, such as virtual influencer avatars, viral music videos, custom video ads, and interactive products like augmented reality filters. Part 2. Use AI to create videos. AI can be used to create videos by leveraging machine learning algorithms such as natural language processing and computer vision. This allows AI to both understand the script of a video and generate visuals corresponding to it, thus creating a complete automated video production process. Here are the basic steps to create videos with AI tools. Step 1. Generate the video script, title, description with ChatGPT. Launch ChatGPT. You can register and log in ChatGPT in its official site or use Filmora's AI copywriting function directly. The latest version of Filmora has connected to ChatGPT. Generate the video script. You can use AI copywriting to generate the video script, as shown in the left operation example. Generate the title and description. When you export the video from Filmora, you can use AI copywriting to generate the title and description for your YouTube video. Step 2. Top 5 AI video generator. Here we round up 5 AI video generators, gather information, and make a comparison table so that you can choose the one that suits you best. 1. Filmora. Main function: 1000 video template, 100 advanced editing features, video color editing, 5 stock media items, 150K creative assets, advanced AI tools, speech-to-text and subtitle generator, work in PC, tablet, and mobile. Advantages: integrated with the ChatGPT, advanced video editing features which make video more professional. Disadvantages: cannot create video from text and create avatar. 2. Synthesia. Main function: 85 AI avatars, 120 languages, 55 video templates, screen recorder, brand identity assets, free media library, custom avatars, text to video. Advantage: great for beginners, and you do not need prior knowledge. Disadvantage: it supports only front-facing poses with avatar. 3. Synth video. Main function: generate video from article content, 40 ready-to-use human avatars, reading content with lip-sync tech, over 40 languages supported, RSS feed support, YouTube video upload, YouTube video optimization. Advantage: best for the owners of YouTube channels. Disadvantage: no free plan is available. 4. Steve AI. Main function: 100 avatars, 120 languages, 10 templates, upload own photo, videos, and audio, text-to-speech, free media library, audio to video, text to video. Advantage: create a video from text and audio. Disadvantage: have a limit of video downloads. Need to pay $5 per extra download if you are not enterprise plan. 5. Deep Brain AI. Main function: 100 AI avatars, 80 multi-languages, 55 video templates, subtitle function, basic video editing, free media library, custom avatars, PowerPoint to video. Advantage: create a video using Microsoft PowerPoint. Disadvantage: it supports only front-facing poses with avatar. Step 3. Create video with Filmora AI tools. Try Filmora AI tools and unlock the potential of your videos with cutting-edge AI technologies that make professional video editing easy while leveraging stunning video effects. 1. Start a video project. 2. Drag drop footage. 3. Edit video with AI tools. 4. Export share a video. Explore Filmora's advanced AI capabilities designed to transform your editing process. Try these AI-powered functions in Filmora. 1. iImage. 2. iPortrait. 3. iSmart Cutout. 4. iAudio Stretch. 5. iAudio Denui. 6. iAudio Reframe. Try Filmora's AI special effects to easily and quickly create stunning visuals that are tailored to you, making editing more fun and efficient. Step 4. Level up your AI video. Now, when you know how to create a generated video with Filmora AI tools, thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on phone tracking solutions. Hope to see you in our next video. Till then, bye.